Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure your Apple ID is active and you're on a reliable Wi-Fi network. This prevents interruptions. Once done, plug the device into power so the backup can complete without sleeping. Make sure you check available iCloud storage and upgrade if the backup size exceeds the free quota. Otherwise, the process will fail. Now go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud to access backup options and move directly into enabling iCloud backup. You need to decide what to include so backups are efficient and meaningful. First, go to iCloud settings and review app-by-app toggles. Enable only the apps whose data you truly need. Once chosen, photos and messages can consume most space, so consider optimizing photos or using separate cloud services for large video libraries. Make sure to check backups for device settings and health data if you rely on them. This ensures a complete restore later. You're ready to kick off the final step. Tap Backup Now and watch the progress indicator. Once the backup completes, verify the timestamp and size in the iCloud backup section so you know it succeeded. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Restart the device, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and confirm your iCloud storage isn't full. Those 3 fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID to refresh account authentication and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.